Welcome to my MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. I invite you to subscribe and share videos. In this episode, one will talk about the Chrysler 3.2 V6 Pentastar engine. So to the point. Let's start. Chrysler 3.2 V6 24-valve Pentastar VVT engine. 6 cylinders and 24 valves. Injection type, multi-point. Timing, chain. Engine oil capacity, 6 liters. Oil type, Mopar 5W30. Change after 13,000 kilometers or 8,000 miles or 6 months. Service inspection every 1 year. Works well with LPG gas installation. Average engine fuel consumption from 8 liters per 100 kilometers to 15 liters per 100 kilometers is about 15 miles per gallon to 30 miles per gallon. Advantages: durable design, high work culture, very good dynamics, great performance, good cooperation with LPG gas installation. Disadvantages: high service and parts costs, average fuel consumption. The Chrysler 3.2 V6 24V VVT engine with 272 HP is another variant of the Pentastar family, which has been used since 2014 only in the Jeep Cherokee KL model. The first versions were presented in 2009 at the New York Auto Show, and the debut took place in 2011 in Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge models. Initially, the engine was called Phoenix due to a trademark conflict. It was changed to the name Pentastar, which comes from the Chrysler Corporation used since 1963. V-shaped, 24-valve design, made entirely of aluminum, block and head, powered by multi-point injection with chain-based timing. The unit is equipped with double valve timing, which significantly improves the work culture. The engine boasts great dynamics and very good performance. Great work culture, and sensational dynamics. To sum up, the 3.2 Pentastar engine is very good for longer trips, but it is also suitable for the city without burning huge amounts of fuel. Thank you for watching the film podcast, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode.